Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Nissan Micra ST, stock reference number 5635. The shape runs from the 10th month 2010 through to the 12th month 2016. It has an HR12 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. HR12 1.2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, bonnet has one small dent, left power door mirror, left front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door has two small dents, left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, right-hand tail light, right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has four small dents, right front door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard has no damage, and a right front 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.